Nada everyone, yo soy Shivani, estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. This is our next video lecture in which you can learn some more emotions in Spanish. And in this video lecture you can learn how to express some more emotions like angry, surprise, sleeping, etc. in Spanish. If first of all, if you really like my channels and my videos in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please like, share and comment on languages for all channels. So let's start today's topic. So our today's topic is emotions. First of all, what we call emotions in Spanish, emotion is called as emociones. Emotions is called as emociones in Spanish. Now I'm giving you some words and then sentences related to that words. So let's start. Our first word is happy. What we call happy in Spanish. Happy means contento in Spanish. Contento in Spanish. Guys, there's one more word of happy in Spanish, that is feliz. That is feliz. And feliz and contento both means happy in Spanish. So happy means contento or feliz in Spanish. So our next word is the dad. What we call the dad or papa in Spanish, el papa. El papa. The dad means el papa in Spanish. And the mom is called as la mama in Spanish. The mom is called as la mama in Spanish. Y means porque. 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 Q is pronounced as que. So Y is pronounced as is called as porque in Spanish. Angry means enojada. J is pronounced as hota in Spanish. J is pronounced as hota in Spanish. So angry is pronounced as enojada. Enojado in Spanish. Angry means enojado in Spanish. Sleep means dormir. Sleep means dormir in Spanish. Sleep means dormir in Spanish. Sometimes mean awaques. Sometimes mean awaques in Spanish. Never or ever means nunca. Never ever means nunca in Spanish. The baby means el bebé. The baby means el bebé in Spanish. Surprise means sorprendida. Surprise means sorprendida. Surprise means sorprendida in Spanish. Again means otra vez in Spanish. Again means otra vez in Spanish. So, happy means contento. Feliz in Spanish. The dad or the papa means el papa in Spanish. The mom means la mama in Spanish. Y means porque in Spanish. Angry means enojado in Spanish. Sleep means dormir in Spanish. Sometimes means awaques in Spanish. Never ever means nunca in Spanish. The baby means el bebé in Spanish. Surprise means sorprendida in Spanish. Again means otra vez in Spanish. Now I'm giving you some sentences related to that words. Let's start. Mi madre. Our first sentence is mi madre está muy enojada hoy. Mi madre está muy enojado hoy. H is pronounced as H in Spanish, so it is pronounced as hoy. So, mi madre está muy enojada hoy. It means my mother is very angry today. Hoy means today. Enojada means angry. Muy means very. Esta means is. Mi madre means my mother. So, mi madre está muy enojada hoy. It means my mother is very angry today. Tú siempre estás enojada. Tú siempre estás enojada. Tú siempre estás enojada means you are always angry. You are always angry. Tú means you. Siempre means always. Estás means are. Or enojada means angry. So you are always angry means tú siempre estás enojada. Our next word is Sebastián. ¿Por qué estás triste? Sebastián, ¿por qué estás triste? Sebastián, why are you so sad? Sebastián, ¿por qué estás triste? Sebastián, why are you sad? ¿Por qué means why? Estás means are you? Triste means sad. So Sebastián, why are you sad means Sebastián, ¿por qué estás triste? Ella. Double L is pronounced as J in Spanish, so it is pronounced as ella. Ella siempre está enferma o preocupada. She is always sick and worried. Preocupado means worried in Spanish. Enferma means sick. O means or. Esta means is. Siempre means always and ella means she. So ella siempre está enferma o preocupado. She is always sick or worried. Our next word is ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo estás? Esta mañana, Juan. So, ¿cómo estás esta mañana, Juan? Juan. So, J is pronounced as hota, so it is pronounced as Juan. So, ¿cómo means how? Esta means how are you? Esta. So, I told you before, esta with SN mark means this and esta without SN mark means this. So, esta here, you see the SN mark upon the esta word. So, esta with SN mark means is and esta without SN mark is this. So, ¿cómo estás? Esta mañana. Mañana means morning. Esta means this. Juan means Juan. So, ¿cómo estás? Esta mañana. Juan means how are you this morning, Juan? How are you this morning, Juan? Our next word is Juan also sick? Is Juan also sick? Juan está también enfermo. Juan está también enfermo. Enfermo means sick. También means also. Esta means is. Juan means Juan. So, is Juan also sick means Juan está también enfermo. Our next word is lo siento, yo estoy muy aburrida en este concierto. I'm sorry, I'm very bored at this concert. So, lo siento, yo estoy muy aburrido en este concierto means lo siento means I'm sorry in Spanish. Yo estoy means I am. Muy means very. Aburrido means bored. In este means at this. Concierto means concert. So I'm sorry, I'm very bored at this concert means lo siento, yo estoy muy aburrido en este concierto. Our next word is el señor Paris está contento con su trabajo. Con su trabajo. J is pronounced as hota in Spanish, so this word is pronounced as trabajo, which means job in Spanish. Con means with, su means his, her, or your in Spanish. Contento means happy. Esta means is. Señor means Mr. So, el señor Paris está contento con su trabajo means is Mr. Paris happy with his job. Our next word is es importante dormir bien. Es importante dormir bien means it is important to sleep well. Dormir means sleep. Bien means well. Importante means important. So, es importante dormir bien means it is important to sleep well. A veces Julia está cansada. Cansada means tired. Esta means ill. A veces means sometimes. So, sorry guys, here I write wrong sometimes. So, a veces Julia está cansada means sometimes Julia is tired. Ana siempre está contenta en la clase de francés means French class. So, Ana siempre está contenta en la clase de francés means Ana is always happy in French class. Esta mujer, J is pronounced as hota in Spanish, so it is pronounced as mujer. Mujer. Esta means this, mujer means woman. Nunca means never, esta means is, enojada means angry. So, esta mujer nunca, esta enojada means this woman is never angry. So, this woman is never angry means esta mujer nunca está enojada. Ella está feliz. Feliz means happy. E means and. Quare means wants to. Disfrutar means enjoy. Or el fin de semana means the weekend. Fin de semana means weekend in Spanish. So, ella está feliz y quiere disfrutar. El fin de semana means she is happy and wants to enjoy the weekend. Our next word is si tú estás enojada veces. Yes, you are angry sometimes. Si tú estás enojada a veces. A veces means sometimes. Enojada means angry. Estás means you are. So, si means yes. So, si tú estás enojada a veces. Yes, you are angry sometimes. So, that's all for today.